Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. All of you open your Our Environment book, page number 8. Page number 8. So the heading is Some People Are Different. Some people are different. Different means they are not same. They are called different. Okay, so let's start reading. There are some people who are different. They may have one or more parts of their body which are not working. Okay, when the body parts work, then only we can work. Okay, if your hand is not working, can you hold the pencil? See, if this hand is not working, can I hold the pencil now? No. If it is working, then only I can hold the pencil. Understood? Some people lose parts of their body in accidents. When accident takes place, we get injured. We may lose our hands, legs or any other body part. Okay? But they learn to live without using these body parts. Okay. So if a hand is not working, then you'll stop writing? No. You can use your left hand. Some write with their legs also. If they don't have the hands, they try to write with legs. They do paintings also. You can see those people on YouTube and all. Okay, they will not lose hope. They want to live. They will fight for that and they will achieve their goal. Okay, but they learn to live without using these body parts. Okay, now this girl's name is Lara. Okay, her name is Lara. Lara lost both her legs in an accident. In an accident, she has lost both her legs. But Lara is a brave girl. See, she is not crying that both the legs are not working. She is very brave. She moves around in her wheelchair. Now, with the help of the wheelchair, she is moving everywhere. Okay. Next, this boy is Rohan. Okay. Rohan cannot see. Now Rohan is blind. He cannot see. He moves around with the help of his stick. He is using his stick to move around. He reads his book by touching them. For blind people, different types of books are there. The letters are embossed. We can touch that. Instead of A, we cannot see. If the child is blind, he cannot see written A. But the design is made in the shape of A. So they can touch and they can read. Yes, A, N, T, ant, like this. That is called Braille Lipi. Okay. So they have given, he reads his book by touching them. Deepak and Sonia cannot hear. He is Deepak and she is Sonia. They cannot hear. They are deaf. They cannot speak also. They are dumb. Deaf and dumb. They cannot speak. They cannot hear. They express themselves through hand movements. By using hands, they express themselves. For example, if they want water, they cannot speak, they cannot hear. How they will say? They can take the glass and tell, give me water. I want water. They can show that glass and they can tell. Okay, understood? Like this is about the different people. So let's revise what we have learned in this chapter. Our body has many parts. We have seen the different parts of the body. They help us to do many things. We perform different activities using different body parts. We all have the same body parts but still look different. We all have hands, legs, eyes, nose, but we are different. Okay. Body parts may differ in size, shape and color. You can compare your friends. Some are dark, some are fair, some are wheatish, some are tall, some are short. Okay, we all are different. These are the difficult words. Just go through them. Wonderful means great, very good. I have told this one. Different, not the same. Yes, this also we have finished. Accident, a happening that causes harm or injury. We get injured when accident happens. Express, they cannot tell. Okay, these are the difficult words. So just go through this page today and you can think about these different people. You might have seen maybe in your life. Okay, just compare those people with yourself, and you should always help them. So whenever you see such type of people, you must help them. You should not ignore. Okay. We will meet in next class, children. Thank you.